I'm putting an American twist on a shepherd's pie with my sweet potato and turkey shepherd's pie.
Aren't you fancy?
We did a little dice of carrots and celery and onions. I feel like we always have that in the fridge hanging around. Those 2 carrots left in the bag that are kind of lonely.
Sad, they're sad.
You have some fully baked sweet potatoes,
Yes.
Sunny. These are just baked in the oven, literally with nothing. We're just gonna peel them.
Okay.
Pop them in the food processor to make a little rustic puree. And I've got a pound of ground turkey, just browning away with a lot of salt and pepper.
Where did the term shepherd's pie come from?
I assume it comes from
Gotta be from shepherds, right?
connection between the lamb and the shepherd. Okay, so we have in here a pound of ground turkey that I've just browned off. And the browning is so important to just start developing that flavor. Same pan, I'm taking Sunny's absolutely stunning dice of celery, which was peeled, by the way, because we can get a little fancy on a weeknight if we want. So, carrots and celery right where we cook that turkey, so we're soaking up all those flavors. Turkey, healthy because it's lower in saturated fat than beef, but turkey actually has more calories than beef, ground turkey.
Seriously?
But to my mind, turkey is hearty. And ground turkey is satisfying. You eat it and you're not like,
Is that dark meat or white meat?
dark meat. Most ground turkey, by the way, is usually a mix of
Yeah.
light and dark. I like either, honestly, for this. I find the light meat is a little leaner. So if you want to just be a little leaner and cleaner, you can do that. Salt, pepper in here with just some diced red onion, celery, and carrots. And we're just getting that just nice and tender. Just this makes me hungry, honestly. So Sunny has just those sweet potatoes that she's blending up. I have melted a stick of butter, and it's browned. So it has that wonderful flavor. Now here I've got the stick of butter, and I'm just gonna use a little to brush the baking dish while we're doing a little double
gorgeous.
duty. To this brown butter, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of molasses, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar,
And this is all going into the sweet potatoes? Oh, yum.
Oh,
little nutmeg, about half a teaspoon, and a tablespoon of just ground up ginger.
Oh, yum.
Grated. Wow. This is like the oven-baked version of the slow cooker meal, right? So this is for Sunny. Sunny, this is just to add this wonderful flavor
I was gonna
bomb.
say, I really want to add some olive oil to make this go around, but I'm following you, chef.
Okay, I'm hoping the butter will do the trick. So now when these start to get a little tender, I'm gonna add them right to the meat.
You want a little crunch in it, right, Alex? You want to...
Well, this is gonna get baked in the oven, so you're
Okay,
gonna
I
have
want-
time for those
all right.
vegetables to finish up.
So you could, if you, for the home cook, you could make 3 or 4 of these, freeze them, and then you have like...
Absolutely. Any day of the week is the right day of the week for me with frozen peas. I just love them.
that's
I have a
frozen
couple
peas.
bags hanging
Did you
around.
want any
Always
salt
got
in
'em.
here?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
I just add them right in. They can literally just defrost them so the excess liquid, don't cook them at all.
I'm getting pot pie. I'm getting so many different versions of so many little things here. There's a lot of going on.
Little cup of stock in there, and then tablespoon of red wine vinegar just to
knew you
wake
were
There
gonna
it
everyone up.
was.
I was
waiting.
Corner.
I thought we ran out of
Alex,
vinegar.
Looking like this, around the corner, all creepily.
We want this at this point to be liquidy because it's gonna bake and do everything. That looks delicious.
Oh, I'd eat that on its own right there.
You did it. You really crushed that. I'm gonna give you also, in addition to the brown butter, some warm milk,
Got you.
which you can add in. I don't add cream to sweet potatoes. I think cream really dulls the flavor. So I like to just add a little milk with that butter, and that feels like Thanksgiving to me.
I'm with you on that, Alex, because I think like when you're making mashed potatoes and you use milk instead of cream, they have a lighter texture too. They're fluffier.
Just for the Thanksgiving vibes, couple grates of orange zest and the juice from the orange itself. And then we just start layering. We layer and we bake, right? It's so exciting the way this, and you could totally put this together, come home, throw it in the oven, and there's nothing, right? So the kitchen looks kind of quiet. Everybody's like, wait, where's dinner? And you're like, oh, excuse
Bubbling
me.
away, huh?
Got this mix, and you see it's deliberately liquidy because we want that steam from beneath to just moisturize this whole thing while it's baking. You know what I mean? We're moisturizing.
Cheapers,
It's
creepers.
Thursday.
This is
It's Friday
Thursday.
Junior, people.
I'm calling it Friday Senior now. I'm excited about this. I don't know what's going
Baby
on.
Friday.
I
This
mean,
just goes
Friday's
in.
gonna have a lot to live up to.
I know. I don't know what we're
after
making for that,
Thursday.
but
And by the way, you could skip the celery, carrot, onion, and just do the turkey and the
Or
peas.
leftovers. Or leftovers. Whatever you have in the box. And
scallions.
it's chopped up.
Yeah. I like when I put something like this together and I don't even wanna bake it. I wanna eat it right away.
it's a good sign.
And now we're just gonna gently start, just gently, snow on the cedars, little Bob Ross here,
Y'all ever heard of sweet potato dip?
right on, gently on top. I'm gonna get this into the oven. I baked it at 375 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Let's
Shepherd's
check it out.
pie.
Jeffrey is hungry. I can always tell.
I'm a
He
cook.
follows you to the
Look
oven.
Right?
He preloaded his fork right there.
Look at that. I put
Because
that right
it's
here.
too far in the carafe.
It's ready.
The Thanksgiving vibes are on.
Yeah,
That's a
it's
show.
Friendsgiving. This is perfect
That's
for
a
Friendsgiving.
showstopper right there. Showstopper.
Take a nose bath. Come on. You know what I mean? Get a nose bath in there.
That's what-
This
It
is
is.
better than like a good candle.
And the sugars in the
In the
sweet
bath.
potatoes have like changed. They've gone deep. Oh,
Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Oh, look at that.
No. I went a little light for you, a little high protein. Now, don't be tacky and take all the sweet potato topping.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You know, it has like a
mean.
meatloaf vibe going on, I must
Yeah, I can
say.
see that.
Can you have me one of your there you go.
So good.
It actually is light. It doesn't, you think it's heavy, it's not. It's a perfect weeknight meal. So delicious, so perfectly seasoned and balanced.